day everyone. Today I will going to discuss about the practical ways for contributing to the mitigation of global warming and adapting to imminent climate change. Now, let us define first global warming. What is global warming? Global warming defined as the increase in the earth temperature due to the greenhouse effect caused by increase of carbon dioxide and other pollutants. It means that when carbon dioxide and other pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight that have bounced off to the Earth's surface, global warming occurs and causes planet to get hotter. Why do global warming occur? These are the major causes of global warming. First, deforestation. We all know that forests and trees store carbon, so if when forests are completely degraded, there is a potential that the stored carbon will release back in the atmosphere and can strongly contribute to global warming. Second is the use of vehicles or transportation. Vehicles burn fossil fuels and emit huge amount of carbon dioxide that release in the atmosphere, which causes earth temperature to increase. The third one is the industrial development. The advent of industrialization is contributing to the global warming because of emissions of some greenhouse gases, let's say for example from factories, by burning of fossil fuel, which add to the increasing of earth temperature. Fourth is the overpopulation. Overpopulation also causes global warming given that we use fossil fuel and because also of the great extraction of resources from the environment such as oil and gas. Lastly, waste. The more we create waste, the more we make our planet become hotter. A lot of waste and other plastic debris end up in landfills. So when this waste start to decompose, it releases harmful gases which causes global warming. So what are the effects of this global warming? There are major effects of global warming. These include, first, rise in temperature. Earth temperature increase because of many causes. The increase of temperature increase melting of glaciers that leads to increase of sea level. Second is threats to the ecosystem. Global warming harm the ecosystem includes the loss of plants, animals, and other species. Third one is the climate change. Global warming has led to a change in climatic conditions. Let's say, for example, droughts occur in some places while flood occur in other places. Fourth one is increased drought. Due to the increase of temperature, drought occur and water becomes scarcer. It limits the growing season and encourages insect and disease infestation. Lastly is food insecurity. Climate change can lead to hunger and food insecurity. Climate change affects fisheries and agricultures and make plants and crops less productive, and it diminishes water. Practical ways for contributing to the mitigation of global warming and adapting to imminent climate change include more efficient industrial process, energy efficiency, fuel switching, use of renewable energy, and more efficient use and recycling of materials. Reforestation. Restoring our forest and planting of trees are important because forests excel at taking in and storing carbon. They also provide habitat for our non-human relatives, clean our water and air, and prevent flooding and soil erosion, and much more. Waste management. The proper practice of proper segregation and proper disposal. Renewable energy. The use of renewable energy sources such as solar don't emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which can help to mitigate and prevent global warming. Lastly, eco-friendly transportation. Change your transportation by reducing using vehicles by walking and biking to prevent emissions of greenhouse gases. Adaptation to imminent climate change include emergency management. Should provide framework that will help the communities to reduce their vulnerabilities and cope with the aftermath of the disaster. Climate resilient building. Updated infrastructures that will help communities to cope with extreme weather, rise of sea level, and other climate disturbances. Water conservation. We have to conserve water and do not waste it. We have lots of good reasons not to waste water, and conserving energy is one of them. Climate-friendly gardening. Buy locally grown plants and minimize the use of synthetic fertilizer.